Hey, Mike, how's your first week back at school going?
Oh, hey, Sarah. It's been pretty crazy, honestly. I can't believe we're already seniors. How about you? Are you liking your new classes?
Yeah, it's wild that this is our last year. I'm really enjoying my AP Literature class, but calculus is already kicking my butt. What about your schedule?
I hear you on the math thing. I'm taking physics this year, and the teacher already assigned like 3 lab reports. But I'm excited about my journalism elective. We get to work on the school newspaper.
That's so cool. I've always wondered what goes on behind the scenes with the school paper. Are you thinking about majoring in journalism in college?
Maybe. I'm still not totally sure what I want to study. My parents keep asking about my college applications, right?
I started filling out the common application last weekend, but it's so overwhelming. The essay questions are really tough, and don't even get me started on asking teachers for recommendation letters. I'm so nervous about that.
I need to ask Mr. Rodriguez from last year's history class, but I keep chickening out. At least we have until the end of the year to figure it all out, I guess.
True, but it feels like it's going to go by so fast. Anyway, are you going to the football game this Friday?
Definitely. Our team actually looks pretty good this year. Want to sit together?
Sounds perfect. I'll see you there.